Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to find your watch later or save video on YouTube. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, if you have found this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube app. After you open up your YouTube app, let's say for instance this particular video right here, I come across it on YouTube and I click on it.
In chat.
Then after click on it, you might not have time to watch the video as at the time you find it on YouTube, and as a result of that, you can make use of save the video button in order to watch the video later. And for you to do that, swipe this way. When you click on the video, swipe this way, and make sure you come to save right here. Click on that. This is going to pump up right here, so you can simply choose watch later. So once you click on watch later, simply come down below right there and click on done. And the video has been saved to your watch later history on your YouTube account. Next thing you need to do is to exit from the video. So once you exit on the video, then you want to go back to the video, then you can simply click on your profile icon right here to go back to the video later. Then take you to your YouTube account. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on watch later right here. Or better still, if you cannot find it right here, what you need to do is to simply click on view all right here. When you click on view all, then click on watch later. Every watch later video always set to be private, which simply means that only you can have access to it. So right here, you have all your video watch later right here. You can see the video we use as an example. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about YouTube topics like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.